Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your relationship issues, or the relationship, your energies, your person's energies, what's going on in your love life. And as I'm doing the readings a little bit differently than before, so I'll be checking out on your energies, their energies, your current feelings, your best likely course of action, their current feelings for you, their likely course of action, most likely outcome. And then I'll be taking an extended reading and doing an extended reading, and that will be the link of that will be provided in the description box below. And you can join me on Patreon if this reading resonates with you, and you want to explore it further and you want more clarity to it. You can join me on Patreon, and yes, there's an offer there. If you are amongst the first 10 Patreons now who join me, you get a chance of a free personal reading. Okay, so having said that, Leos, let's see what are your energies. So on your side we have, wow, the World card. Starting off with a good card. So let's see what are your feelings for them right now. Your feelings for them. Your feelings for them are the Four of Wands. Okay. These are your current feelings for them. The most likely course of action. The most likely course of action. According to you, what you plan to do or what you want to do, or what you will be doing is the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Seems to be all good. So let's see what's on your person's side. The person you are dealing with, the Five of Wands as their general energy. Let's see what are their feelings for you. So the feelings for you, what's going wrong? The Five of Cups, okay. And the Star has come out, let it be. Let's have a positive card there. So let's see what is their plan of action. What is their most likely course of action? Okay, so we have another positive card, the Ten of Cups. Good. Okay, let's see what is the most likely outcome of this relationship or this connection. The Nine of Swords, what are you guys up to? Okay, so Leos, your general energy is, your overall energy is the World. So definitely it is, you are entering into something new. You are closing off things which are not serving you, letting go of the past and moving into a new future. So definitely endings and closing, you know that okay, you've successfully completed something. So there's no point in staying there, just move on. So you're opening up a new life for yourself. Okay, so that is your area now. This is your energy right now. You are feeling very good about yourself, very happy, very content, successful, and just ready to open up, show yourself to the world, just planting yourself to the bird. So you are in a very good and a very powerful energy. Maybe a change is there in your life right now. Maybe you are experiencing some change, some transition. Definitely a new beginning is there. Beautiful energies, Leos, for you. Your feelings for them is the Four of Wands. So definitely you want a commitment with this person. You view them as your soulmate, a stable relationship. That is what you want. That is what you wish for them. You want a commitment from them. You want to have a happy future with them. Okay. The most likely course of action is the Knight of Pentacles. So going very, very slow. You are not opening up, I think, for some reason, or you are, it's a very, very slow movement if it is there. Okay. So in spite of wanting a commitment and a family and a stable relationship with them, you are not planning to rush in, you're not planning to move fast. It is just that you are just showing that yes, you are there, you love them, you are ready to give them a solid and a stable foundation. You are ready to put in all your efforts, but you're doing that very, very slowly and steadily. It's a wise thing to do though. As far as your person is concerned, with the Five of Wands, this person is either confused. There is definitely a conflict going on in their life. It can be totally an internal conflict in their mind, in their head regarding the relationship, or it can be something else. Maybe this person is at odds in their life for some reason, and that is why they are confused, as simple as that. And maybe they pick up fights with you. It can be that also, because this person may be in that mental state that this person is themselves, they are not in a very good energy right now, they are not vibing at a very good energy. So maybe that is why they pick up fights with you, or maybe they keep on arguing with you. It can be that. Maybe it is tough for you to all the time convince them for any damn thing. So maybe they are a little difficult to deal with right now for something going on. Or maybe it is just it's just that they are not able to decide. Can be anything. The feelings for you is, with the Five of Cups, this person is really upset over something. Definitely very, very upset. They are feeling alone. They are feeling lonely. They are really upset over something, and they really don't know what to do. But yes, with the star jumped out, so definitely it is not that they don't have love. They do view you as their dream come true. They do have a lot of hope in this relationship. They are undergoing a healing effect with you. That's what I feel, because I think the energy of this person right now is not a very positive one. So maybe when they talk to you, when they are in your company, they feel that healing aspect in themselves. They feel as if their trauma is being healed. They feel that soothing effect when they talk to you. So definitely this person right now is not in a very good state of mind, for sure. But yes, as far, even though they are depressed and upset, they do view you as a source of hope. They have a lot of hope in this relationship, and they feel hopeful maybe when they are with you, because you are vibing at a very positive energy. So maybe that is, you give them a sort of reassurance or something like that for whatever they were dealing with, and maybe they are sort of, they have that soothing effect. That's what I'm getting. The best course of action is the Ten of Cups. So whatever they are going on, they are dealing with right now, definitely they have a commitment on cards. They do want to commit to you. They view you as a long-term partner. They want to have a family with you. They want to have a relationship with you. So though you are showing up as a Four of Wands, this person is just, this is the action. This is what they want to do, and I think they will do it. Maybe if not now, but yes, that is on their mind. They definitely will do it. If even if they are not doing it now, but they will show up. Definitely, they, once they are out of this energy of this Five of Wands and this Five of Cups, whatever is upsetting them, and but definitely this person has really honest and a good feeling for you. They really want to have a stable relationship with you. The most likely outcome is coming up as the Nine of Swords. So I think this is definitely over-analyzing, overthinking, spending sleepless nights and whatnot. So definitely a lot of anxiety. Maybe this person already has some anxiety issues, because this person is definitely dealing with something. They really need hope and healing. Okay, that is the need of the hour also. Maybe that is what you are providing them. So maybe this person is already so stressed out in their life that they really don't know what to do. This person is overthinking and overanalyzing, and maybe this is also contributing to this conflict in the relationship itself, because they are really upset over something. So definitely Leos, what I feel is everything is good with the Four of Wands and the Ten of Cups. You want this, they are ready to give it. You are there showing your love and support to them all the time. But definitely, as for now, as far as this time frame is concerned, things are uh, not going in a very healthy way, but they will. That's what I feel. Things will be okay. If this reading resonates with you and you want to explore it further, then just click the link in the description box. You'll find the entire reading there on Patreon. And if you just wish to be here on YouTube, then thanks for joining me, and hope it helps. Bye.